How can you buy a home with no down payment? Welcome to another edition of Mortgage Mondays. Today, we're going to talk about ways that you can actually buy a home without having a down payment saved up. And to discuss this, we have from the prestigious brokerage of Remax Impact, Moiz Rahman.
So Umair, being a top producing agent across the Durham region and GTA, one of the most common scenarios I get actually almost on a daily basis is young professionals who have great income, great credit history, but they have little to no down payment. What options do these guys have that help them towards their down payment so they can get into home ownership quicker?
Mo, that's an excellent question, and we see that on a daily basis. You could have a professional who's just come out of university and they've started a really good job where they're making good income. But if they haven't been making that income for more than 2 or 3 or 4 years, they may not have had the opportunity to save up for down payment. Does that mean that all they can do is rent?
Sure. In addition to that, a very common scenario is the beginning of a new marriage. There's 2 young professionals, working professionals, and now they have increased annual income because you combine both their income, but due to wedding expenses or things of that nature, they don't have the down payment. Like you said, is it correct for these guys to assume that there's nothing out there for them and they have to rent?
Well, this is where I tell you about our new revolutionary product where we are able to lend first-time home buyers their down payment.
That sounds interesting. It actually almost sounds too good to be true. Can you tell us a little bit more about how it works and what costs are associated with it?
Well, let me tell you how it works, Mo. We will lend up to $25,000 to a first-time home buyer towards their down payment. This is the cheapest way of borrowing money unsecured in Canada. Our interest rate on this loan will be prime plus half, which is 2.95 currently. And we will amortize this loan over 15 years. For example, if you're buying a home for $500,000, your minimum down payment is $25,000. And if you borrow this $25,000 at an interest rate of 2.95 over 15 years, your payments are going to be less than $175 a month. And by getting this loan, you'll be able to get into your house and you'll be able to buy a property with down payment completely financed.
So in theory, you can lend a prospective buyer $25,000 towards a down payment on the purchase of their home, and the monthly payments for that loan be $170 roughly in addition to their mortgage payment. That's amazing, but what are the qualification or qualifying criteria from the bank?
Well, most standard mortgage qualification criteria applies. So this is why if you have a client or if you are looking to buy a house and you may not have down payment saved up, contact us right away. While we do your pre-approval, we'll be able to qualify you for this loan as well. We'll qualify both of these products hand in hand so you know exactly what to expect, you know exactly how much your mortgage payments will be, how much this down payment financing will cost you, and everything will be clear before you start your house hunting journey.
That's amazing. I did not know it's that easy. More people should know about this. So guys, Umair has set up a system for you guys to take free and complimentary online phone consultations. All you have to do is go to the link in the description below and he's ready to answer all the questions you have about this program.
There you have it, guys. It's either this loan or it's the bank of mom and dad. That's the only way you can buy a house without saving up for down payment. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share our videos with your friends. We'll see you next week.